A beneficial ownership form PDF is a document that is used to collect information about the beneficial owners of a legal entity, such as an LLC. Beneficial owners are the individuals who ultimately own or control a legal entity. The information collected on a beneficial ownership form is used to help law enforcement investigate and prosecute financial crimes, such as money laundering and terrorist financing. Before we go over the specifics of a beneficial ownership form PDF, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics that can save you time and money. Now, a beneficial ownership form PDF typically includes the following information: the name, date of birth, and address of each beneficial owner, the percentage of ownership interest held by each beneficial owner, the nature of the beneficial owner's relationship to the legal entity, and the beneficial owner's citizenship and residency. A beneficial ownership form PDF may also include additional information, such as the beneficial owner's occupation, education, and source of income. A beneficial ownership form PDF is typically required by financial institutions when opening an account for a legal entity. The form may also be required by other entities, such as government agencies like the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or even real estate developers. Here are some of the benefits of using a beneficial ownership form PDF. It helps to improve transparency in the financial system. The form makes it easier for law enforcement to investigate and prosecute financial crimes, and a PDF form can help to protect businesses from being used for money laundering or terrorist financing. Remember, if you are a legal entity such as an LLC, you should be aware of all beneficial ownership form PDF requirements and ensure that you have the required information on file. Plus, you must also understand that there are severe government fines and penalties for failing to comply with the beneficial ownership form PDF requirements. If you need access to a sample PDF or help filing beneficial ownership information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our third-party experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about beneficial ownership forms? Do they seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.